You put it for the other side too now.
Yeah, it's hot.
Like a dear to come. Eso es
Combo.
el combo. En el que vea tío.
Era con el jubileo. A village method. When we was in the village, this is how we run things.
I know you like it. You like the village.
I like village life because I'm born with it.
So this is our fire as in the village. Ooh.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Hope fine. So today my son woke up with his neck. Come open the gate for me. So we are taking him to the hospital now. So yeah, see you guys in the hospital. The cold today, cold day. It's too much. So they are coming.
A few moments later.
Swell, of course, it's swelling. Sorry. You'll be fine, yeah? Why you find your face? How's that? You'll be fine. The doctor see you. They write medicine. So on our way back from the hospital, we stopped by to buy this bread and this sandwich. If you're a Togolese, you know about this sandwich. You call this bread sakomi. So they make sandwich like pear and like avocado. So they make this with sandwich, egg, sausage, mayonnaise. Like it depends on what you want. So if you want to mix many, we like to put enough. You put the avocado, you put the sandwich, you put the green bean, like many um, vegetable is here. So we try to buy because it's not eat in the morning before you go to the hospital. So here we are buying plantain, roasted plantain with groundnut. Like in Togo, you have a lot of food, guys. You have a lot of food that you can buy on the road. And this plantain I know is in many countries as well. So we are buying it. So this is me. When you came back, I'm enjoying my bread, my sakomi.
The next day.
So this is it. This is the foam. Yeah. So we're going to throw the water, then wash it again. So this is the second water now that she's washing it in now. Yeah, as I was saying, before you start washing the bitter leaf, you have to dry it small. You have to dry it for some moment before you start washing it. If you do not dry it, it will not come out the way you want. You used to come out like into small pieces. So if you don't want to foam like this, you add small red oil to it. Then if you put the red oil, you are going to put it now, you will see how the foam you reduce. So that's how my Nigeria people, my husband teach me. If you don't have red oil, you can add a palm nut to it, just a small amount, so not too much, small. You are going to put it now, you see it. So this is my daughter helping me, my beautiful daughter. so that is it. Just a small, if you put it, you bring small in the rubber. So after the red oil, you can see the foam. There's no foam again. So before putting, you just have to put small amount of red oil, not much. Yeah.
Later.
People should fight now. Say you want fight.
I thought you were fighting.
The fight stop. Sure.
I thought you were fighting.
Chima, come and fight.
Yeah.
Come and fight. Fight.
We are going to cook.